How can you combine these words with these words? For my students, it's often a big mystery. I'm here to make things clear. I'm John, and today we're going to study phrasal verb secrets. To shout out. Jennifer and Mark are English students. They learn a lot of new things on YouTube. Mark, have you seen YouTube's new membership feature? Yeah, I have. It's pretty interesting. Last week, I signed up for a new channel, Everything English with John. Now I have cool perks like membership badges, voting for new content, and early access to his videos. That sounds really nice. Tell me more about it. Well, I'm learning so much, like how to speak like an American, and I feel like I'm really supporting his channel. And he even gives me a shout out during his videos. Really, Jennifer? That sounds like a blast. You've convinced me. I'll sign up tonight. Quiz time. What does to give a shout out mean? To support creators? To vote for new content? To watch videos early? To mention someone's name? Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's D. To mention someone's name. Phrasal verb secrets. To shout means to speak loudly. This can imply anger or not. A similar verb is to yell, but we don't use it in this context. Out in this context is the opposite of in. We use this here because our words are in our mouth, so we have to release them loudly. It's common to separate the verb shout out. I shouted his name out, but he didn't hear me. Phrasal verb extras. In this video, I mentioned two different versions. The phrasal verb, to shout out, and the phrasal noun, a shout out. To shout out means to call or yell, not mention. This is similar to the normal verb to shout, but with emphasis because the words come out of your mouth. We can create the phrasal noun, a shout out, from the phrasal verb. This changes the meaning, and we use the expression to give a shout out, which means to mention someone's name, often in videos or at events. Examples. The band members gave me a shout out during the concert because I won the contest. She shouted out the answer to the quiz question. He shouted out for help when he broke his leg. I'll give you a shout out on my channel if you go sign up for my channel membership. Vocabulary extras. Rewatch the video to catch the vocabulary. Feature. Characteristic. Cool perks. Nice benefits. That sounds like a blast. That sounds like a lot of fun. You've convinced me. Now I'm sure. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. If you sign up or not, I appreciate every view and every subscriber. And I'll continue working hard for my students because I'm passionate about making videos and helping others. I enjoy every moment and I'm very thankful for everything. Meeting new people gives me the opportunity to learn more about you and the world.